Hi guys, I'm Vishal from EV Vish. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the Aero cap covers on the wheels of the Tesla Model 3. It's pretty much the same process for the Model Y, and just show you how easy it is to do it. What you will need is actually a kit that you can get off Amazon, which comes with the caps for the wheel nuts and the center caps for once you've removed the Aero caps out. So let's get started. So basically, to take the Aero caps off is quite easy. What you want to do is just tuck your fingers across the side of the caps like this, put your thumb there and just pull. Don't be afraid, it won't break, but just pull it out and just work your way around and it will just come out. It's that easy. Then with the caps and the center cap that you get, we're going to put this on here and put the nut caps on top there. But before we do that, just in case you do want to put this back on, it's quite easy to do. Just match the air valve there. You'll feel like it kind of sit and just knock it into place. And that's it. It's back on, secured. It's quite easy to do, so we'll just take it off again. Just show you. Take it off and just put these wheel caps on. The nut caps, push them in like that. They're quite a snug fit, so they're not going to be flying off anytime soon. And you've got 5 of them. And for the center one, let's take it out of the packet. It will have that plastic cover on top, so just take that plastic cover out there. And this one's a bit tight to put in, but just don't be afraid to push it. So line it up roughly and then just push it in. So yeah, you do have to press quite hard to get that one in, but that's how it looks once you've done that. You've got the yellow peel here sticker as well, so just take that one off as well. That is quite easy to do, but it helps when you've got nails. And that's it. That's how it looks once you've taken the cap off. I hope you enjoyed that video and seen how easy it is to get rid of the caps on the Model 3. Same process for the Model Y. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and see our other videos on more accessories for Teslas.